Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Forerunner 265 and I'm gonna show you how to download and install additional watch faces on this watch. Before we start, if you want to download additional watch faces on this watch, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application, and it doesn't matter if it's iPhone or the Android phone. Basically, it just needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect. And once the devices are paired together, we need to download and install the Connect IQ Store on the phone that is paired with our watch. And again, it doesn't matter if it's Android or iPhone, you just need to open the App Store on your phone and the app will be there. You just need to search for it. And to download the application, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled on your phone. Once you do, open the App Store. I'm gonna use the Google Play Store because I'm using Android phone, but if you're using iPhone, just simply open the App Store on your iPhone, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in Connect IQ Store. And then tap on search button. And on the list of applications, you should see this app, Connect IQ Store, with the icon like this. I already have it installed, but if you don't, tap on the install button and wait until the application is done installing. And after it's done installing, tap on open to open it. And once you open the app, you will need to tap on welcome button. Then you will need to check the box that you're over 16 years old and tap on next. And after that, you will see the homepage of the IQ Store. Here we have it. And as you can see here, we have different categories for apps and watch faces, and we can browse through them, look for something we are interested in. I'm just gonna narrow my search by tapping on search and selecting the watch face category. And now I can see only watch faces. So let's find the watch face we want to install. And once you find something that interests you, tap on it to select it. I don't know, maybe the Christmas one. So tap on the watch face you like, and once you tap on it, you will open the info page of it. We have the description, screenshots, basically how it looks like. You can see the reviews if you want, and if you're not sure it will work on your watch, tap on compatible devices, scroll through the list and look for your watch. So let's look for the Forerunner 265, and it is on the list, so it will work with our watch. Once you decide to install the watch face, tap on install, allow the required permission. It will be queued for the installation, and we just need to wait until it's done. Sometimes it takes longer time for it to install because something is updating, or maybe anything else is in the queue before the app, or rather the watch face we try to install. So if it's not installing immediately, I recommend just to wait, and after some time it just should install automatically after you tap on install button. We have a pop-up that watch face was installed on our watch, and here we have it. For some reason, it still didn't register in the app, but we can simply go back, and I believe if we tap on it again, no, it's still installing according to the Connect IQ app. But if we tap on device here, my watch face is still not installed. That's interesting. Something bugged out. I'm gonna sync the devices together again and see now. Still bugged out. So I'm gonna close the app, reopen it. Tap on device, my watch faces. Okay, and now it's installed. So there was some problem with the connection, but as you can see, after we reopened the application, now it's on the installed list. And basically, if you want to check the list of the watch faces you installed, you just need to open the app, tap on devices. You should see your Forerunner 265 here, and you can tap on my watch faces list, and basically you will see the list of the watch faces installed on your watch. Of course, you can install multiple watch faces. You have a limited amount of space, but you can install as many as watch allows you, basically. And you can also remove the watch faces by tapping on one, tapping on more options icon, and tapping on uninstall and uninstall, and the watch face will be removed from your watch. Okay, and once you're done, you can close the Connect IQ Store, and that's how you download and install additional watch faces on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.